The choice between an inverted V and a horizontal dipole depends on your needs, as both are effective but have different installation and performance characteristics. An inverted V is often preferred for its simplicity and single support installation, making it ideal for those with limited space. A horizontal dipole is better for applications where two high mounting points are available and potentially offers more consistent performance across different frequencies. Feed point impedance of inverted V antenna is near 50 ohms, while that of horizontal half-wave dipole antenna is about 70 ohms. So there is a better matching with the typical 50 ohms coaxial cable used in amateur radio. Performance of the inverted V can be affected by the apex angle, which is ideally around 90 to 120 degrees. Radiation pattern is different from a horizontal dipole, with more of omnidirectional for inverted V compared to the bidirectional radiation of horizontal dipole. Low angle radiation is more for inverted V, so that reflection from the ionosphere can be at a longer distance. This is an advantage for DX contacts, while it may be a disadvantage for local contacts. Height above the ground may also affect the performance. Sagging of the feed point is a common problem with horizontal dipole antennas due to the weight of the coaxial cable and balun. This can be taken care of by the use of pulleys as shown in the image. The final choice between the two types is depending on your need and mounting constraints as discussed.